Two of the biggest names in project management software go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho Projects, known for its flexibility and robust features. And on the right, ActiveCollab, popular for its streamlined workflow and simplicity. We're diving into real-world challenges, from ease of use and customization to pricing, integrations, team collaboration, and more. Let's skip the fancy marketing talk and focus on how these platforms actually perform. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which tool comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's a mind map of what we're about to cover. Price, because nobody wants a surprise bill. Features, obviously, integrations. Can it talk to the apps you already love? UI and UX, because we all know a confusing layout is a deal breaker. Collaboration, since project management is all about working together. And finally, reporting, because what's the point if you can't see your progress, right? Let's kick things off with price. So, Zoho Projects? Honestly, it knocks it out of the park with a feature-rich free tier, and even the paid plans are super affordable, especially if you've got a team. Now, there is a catch. If you want to get super fancy with customizations, you might end up paying a bit more. ActiveCollab keeps things simple with flat, transparent pricing, which I really appreciate, and no per-user cost on their smallest plan, though the entry price is a bit higher. And just like Zoho, you want advanced features. You're going to have to pony up. But between the two, Zoho definitely gives you more value for less money here. Next up, features. Zoho Projects packs a ridiculous punch. Time tracking, issue tracking, Gantt charts, automations, custom fields, a bunch of integrations, almost too much. Like, if you're just starting out, the interface can feel a little bit, well, overwhelming. But hey, it's all there if you need it. Flip side, ActiveCollab. Think task management, discussion threads, invoicing, project budgeting with a buttery smooth user interface. It's way more approachable, but yeah, you don't get as many power user options. And if you want deep automation, you might feel limited. Still, Zoho takes this round for serious feature depth. Moving over to integrations. Zoho Projects is, like, the king here if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem. CRM, desk, books, it just fits. Toss in Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, API access, and more. The not-so-fun part? A few integrations are locked behind higher price tiers, so watch out for that. ActiveCollab has the essentials, Slack, Dropbox, Google Drive, email participation, which is great for basic teamwork. But, honestly, it doesn't go as deep, and there's no native CRM integration if that matters to you. Zoho's got this category sewn up. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Zoho Projects actually started back in 2006, but get this, ActiveCollab arrived a year earlier in 2005. Can you believe how long these tools have been duking it out? Let's talk UI and UX, which, let's be real, can make or break your day. Zoho Projects gives you detailed dashboards and lets you tinker with a ton of customizations, but that power does come at a cost. Sometimes it feels like navigating a spaceship cockpit. ActiveCollab, though? This one's a breath of fresh air, minimalist, quickly makes sense, onboarding's a breeze, and their mobile app is actually really solid. There are a few fewer ways to customize, but honestly, most people won't miss them. For user friendliness, ActiveCollab walks away with the W here. Now, onto collaboration. Zoho Projects brings the basics, team chat, comments, document sharing. It's all pretty standard, except if you need built-in video calls. Yeah, that's not happening. Over in ActiveCollab's corner, it's got real-time updates, super simple discussions, an integrated chat, and you can invite clients in, like 2 clicks. The only downside is a weaker knowledge base if your team loves wikis, but for actually working together day to day, ActiveCollab just feels easier and faster. Finally, reporting. Zoho Projects goes full nerd mode here, with advanced analytics, totally custom reports, and the option to export to Excel or CSV for your spreadsheet wizards. It's super powerful, but if you're not a data person, you might find it, well, a bit intimidating. Meanwhile, ActiveCollab keeps it simple. You get all the basics, plus easy time tracking exports, but you won't find anything like a custom report builder. So for teams who absolutely need reporting firepower, Zoho is the obvious pick. If we throw these two on a radar chart, you'd see Zoho Projects pulling way ahead in terms of price, features, integrations, and reporting. It's definitely the all-rounder for those categories. But don't sleep on ActiveCollab. It completely rules in UI, UX, and collaboration. So if simplicity and getting your team up to speed fast are your thing, it punches above its weight. So, all things considered, Zoho Projects is basically tailor-made for bigger teams that crave flexibility, love customizing, and need integrations out the wazoo. But if you're a smaller agency or freelancer who'd rather just get straight to work without fiddling, ActiveCollab will make your life so much easier. Either way, there's a clear winner overall, but it's not like the other one's useless, just depends on your vibe. If you found this helpful, and you want more quick, no-fluff breakdowns just like this, hit subscribe and stick around for the next